Tingataura dzimwe dzenyaya kuti mwanga rutanzi handisi kuuya ndege inenge ida kudonha handisi kana ndege iwe because yazi ikudonha ndege iwe.
Silent killer locks himself in an airport toilet. All because of a dream? And Alick Macheso couldn't help but throw some shade. Let's talk about this wild moment that's got Zimbabwe buzzing. So, hey race, what went down? Dancehall artist Silent Killer was all set for a UK performance. Tickets sold, fans waiting, promoter ready. But at the very last moment, he refused to board the plane. Why? According to him, he had a vivid dream about a plane crash. Instead of flying, he hid in the airport bathroom and never came out. Now, imagine being the promoter in that situation. You've spent thousands booking flights, venues, promotions, and suddenly your artist vanishes in the terminal. The promoter, clearly frustrated, didn't hold back.
Awangwere, Silent Killer. It's very unfortunate that we've got to a situation whereby his visa, everything, he has it, and he went to the airport today. This sounds like fiction, but that's what happened. He went to the airport today, managed to check in for the Ethiopian Air flight at 3 o'clock, the 3:05. When he checked in, he decided to go back to his car, right? And he was just left. The plane was meant to, it was supposed to be taking off about an hour, and you know the doors close about 30 minutes before takeoff. So instead of going to the plane, he decided to go to the car. Right, so we frantically tried to get another ticket, and Alex, my colleague, he was sorting that out with travel agents, managed to get him another flight, which was leaving Harare at 6 o'clock. And well, he was at the airport, ticket bought it for about 1.5, which was quite a lot of money. And he decided that he had a dream that the plane was going to, to explode or something like that. So aramba kukwira ndege vazvikira toilet. Yeah, it is said that we think he needs psychiatric input. We think he needs to go to hospital. So unfortunately for the people who were looking forward to see Silent Killer, this situation has gone bad, and
that's pain right there. It's not just money lost, it's reputation, trust, and a missed opportunity for everyone involved. But then comes the twist: Sungura legend Alick Macheso. Always the entertainer, he reacts to Silent Killer's plain story with classic humor, poking fun at the dream excuse. And honestly, Zimbabweans love it.
Tingataura dzimwe dzenyaya kuti mwanga rutanzi handisi kuuya ndege inenge ida kudonha handisi kana ndege iwe because yazi ikudonha ndege iwe. Tichifurirana kuti ngatitori zvinodhaka zvatiri kuona vafana vedu vasina vari kuya dombo kwa inonzi dombo urwa dombo vamwe dai so muna hana akastika mumwe adai so mumwe adai zvinova zviri kuuraya vamwe tiri kuvavona kuti mwana wangu uyu aipfeka size 42 but zvinozvika apfeka size 28 svondo roga anenge aita kuramba achikaendesa kwatera kunodzoresa anoona nekuda kwechinhu chatiri kuona chinhu chatiri kuona chiri kuuraya vana saizvozvo vachiri vadoko saizvozvo vane zvipo zvavo zviri marongo aitamba bhora manoimba saizvozvo anoona.
Macheso's laugh is contagious, but beneath the jokes lies a bigger conversation: fear, mental health, and responsibility in the music industry. Hey race, the thing, artists are human too. Silent Killer's fear, whether irrational or not, is real to him. But when you're in the spotlight, your actions don't just affect you, they affect fans, promoters, and the entire ecosystem around your career. Was it fear? Superstition? Or something deeper? Either way, this moment is a reminder that talent isn't enough. Professionalism, mental strength, and communication matter too. What do you think? Was Silent Killer justified? Or should he have faced the fear and honored the booking? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more raw, real commentary on Zimbabwe's entertainment scene. This is Nyasha TV, where we unpack the drama and give it meaning.